Here's a new 2019 GMC Yukon XL. The best ability for your next vehicle is capability, and this Yukon XL has even more of it. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, V8 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Of the Yukon, the Car Connection puts forth it has the power and capability to haul up to 9 passengers, their stuff, and the family boat. GMC, professional grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today. Thank you for viewing this vehicle. Stop in and see us today. Thompson Buick GMC Cadillac is conveniently located on Wake Forest Road next to Costco, just inside the Beltline.